Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to talk a little bit about the project that I'm going to be working on while I'm on vacation. This is the type of yarn I'm going to be using. It's a Karen latte cake. It's very soft. I plan on making the 6-day star blanket. The reason behind having such a long project is because the flights are so long that I should be able to get pretty far if I don't sleep the whole time. But so as far as packing goes, I'm taking 2 Karen cakes. I'm taking the paper version of the pattern since I know that I really won't have Wi-Fi on the plane. I'm going to bring my bag as well, which includes the hooks, my counter, as well as some needles, my yarn cutter, and some stitch markers. Something just basic to bring with me on the plane. This is a pattern that was worked on last year by a lot of other crocheters, so I'm actually excited to see how long it actually takes me to do it. Some people are counting hours, so if you count up to 24, you get your first day. And some people are counting, I took 2 hours during this first day and that's it. So I'm actually going to be counting hours to see how long it takes me to do it. If it takes me actual 6 days or if it takes me less than that. So this is what I plan on bringing with me over to Italy. The next item of business, I ordered a ton of yarn from Premier. So I wanted to go through, open up them all, tell you what they're called, the names. And the reason behind me buying so much was because I do have markets I'm preparing for the fall and the Christmas time. And I know that's 6 months out, but it's a handmade item and it actually takes a long time to prepare and put enough inventory away. These markets are full weekends, meaning I'm going to be there all day Saturday and Sunday. So I have to make sure that I bring enough product. And the time between October and December is shorter than the time it is for me now to October. So I'm going to just try to prep as much as I can to put away for those 2 big events, as well as flea markets, which I plan to do when I get back from vacation. So let's get into the box. The first color is mango. It's kind of like an orange pink. I got one of those. I got this deep purple, which for the Premier color they call iris. I also got a lot of white because I plan on making ghosts for October, as well as cows, which also take a lot of white yarn. The next color I bought was Cardinal, which is obviously red, which I plan to use a lot for the Christmas season's events. The next one is Rust. I only bought one of these. I wanted to test out different types of browns. So for the October event, I also plan to make turkeys, which I've seen a ton of cute ones, so I'm going to try some out. So I got just a couple different colors. Oh, and the second one was called Caramel. The next ones were this really pretty green. This one is called Emerald. The turtles are going to look really cute with this one. Also bought 2 of these in the color Key Lime. Another one of the white. I also bought this blue color that's called Cornflower. I'm going to make cows with overalls, so I'm going to need this for the actual clothing. I did buy a black just to have it. A lot of neutral colors, black, white, and beiges tend to get used up a lot faster. So I bought another one of those. I also bought an orange color called Tangerine. I'm thinking about making some smaller pumpkins for the table, and possibly for like a $5 bin. I bought this lighter blue, which is also really pretty. They called this one Azure. I bought 2 blacks. I actually bought a second one of the lighter brown. And for the last color, I bought this teal. This one's called Lagoon. I've heard a lot of good things about the Premier products, so I'm actually really excited to try them out for the fuzzier, plushier yarn. So that is my yarn that I just purchased. I am sure I will use up most of this just with commissions and with the events coming up. So stay tuned to see if I end up with any scraps and what I plan to make with them. I am actually really excited to dig in. I actually got a couple orders already that I need to use with some of the lighter colors. I also forgot I have a lighter purple of this one, but I'm in the middle of a project. They called it lavender. So I'm excited to use some of this for the upcoming markets as well as orders. So if you liked today's video and want to see what I end up making with all of this, stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any ideas of items you think I should make for markets, or if you have any holiday themed ideas that I can make into a product. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.